Want to type faster with one hand or move your keyboard around the screen? Today I will show you how to change the keyboard mode on your Galaxy S25 Ultra and how to access it even faster from the keyboard toolbar. To do so, open the keyboard in any app where you can type, like when you are texting on WhatsApp. Tap the text wheel to show up the keyboard. Then tap the settings icon above the keyboard. Scroll down the screen. Then tap mode. Now you will see two sections. First, portrait view section with three options. Standard keyboard for normal typing. One-handed keyboard to shrink the keyboard to one side for easy reach. And floating keyboard that will let you move the keyboard anywhere on the screen. Second, landscape view section with three options. Standard keyboard, which is same as portrait. Split keyboard to separate keys to left and right for buttons. And floating keyboard that also movable. As the example, we will select one-handed keyboard for portrait, so you can easily text with one hand, and select split keyboard for landscape to help you easily write with both hands without stretching them too much. To see the result, go back to your WhatsApp. Tap the text wheel to show up the keyboard. As you hold your phone in portrait view, the keyboard is now in one-handed keyboard. And when you hold your phone in landscape view, it will automatically change to split keyboard mode. Bonus tip, if you have the keyboard toolbar enabled, you can add a shortcut to mode for even quicker access. To do so, tap the three dots on the toolbar, then tap the plus icon, tap mode, and then tap done button. By doing this, later you just need to tap the mode icon on the shortcut to switch keyboard layout instantly. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.